Daniel Reeves was the kind of teacher parents praised and students trusted. But behind his warm smile and perfectly ironed shirts, he was hiding a disturbing secret that would turn Willow Creek High into the center of a criminal investigation. Mr. Daniel Reeves had spent over a decade building a reputation as the favorite history teacher at Willow Creek High. Known for his charm and engaging lectures, students often said his class was the only reason they looked forward to school. But beneath that reputation was a secret that would shock the entire community. It all started when a maintenance worker discovered a small, familiar device tucked behind a wall vent during a routine inspection. At first glance, it looked like part of the HVAC system until he noticed a blinking red light. The device was a miniature hidden camera connected to a private wireless signal. School administrators launched a quiet internal investigation, thinking it might be a one-time breach. But within days, 4 more cameras were found, each one positioned in different classrooms, all wired to transmit video to an external storage drive. Specialists traced the signal to a nondescript laptop registered under a fake name. But when they recovered the laptop's IP logs, one name appeared again and again: Daniel Reeves. The police obtained a warrant and searched Mr. Reeves' home. Inside a locked drawer in his study, they uncovered multiple hard drives filled with footage spanning nearly 2 years. Hundreds of hours of classroom recordings, mostly of students during tests, changing into gym uniforms and private tutoring sessions. What was most disturbing wasn't just the footage itself, but the meticulous way he had cataloged everything by date, class period, and even student names. Mr. Reeves was arrested without incident. His calm demeanor during the arrest unsettled the officers. When questioned, he simply said it was for classroom observation research. But no one had approved such a project, and certainly not one so invasive. The school district was thrown into chaos. Parents pulled their children out of school. Teachers felt betrayed. Reeves had even served on the school's safety committee. In court, it was revealed that he'd planted the cameras himself, disguised as maintenance checks. No one had ever suspected a thing. The final twist came weeks later when investigators found he had shared access to the footage on encrypted forums, trading clips for other illegal material. What began as suspicion of privacy violation quickly spiraled into federal charges. Daniel Reeves, once a model educator, now faces decades behind bars. His classroom was a place of trust, but behind the walls it became something much darker.